My name is Peter Maher. I'm a Catholic priest from Sydney and worked for many years in a small inner city parish where we worked with many marginalised and diverse communities, and we hosted the Indonesian Catholic community there. I want to talk about the project Songs of Christmas from the Asia Pacific. In Australia, we are privileged to have a diverse community with many gifts that come from the many places and cultures that those diverse communities represent. In this project, Songs of Christmas from the Asia Pacific, we hear songs that we're familiar with from this Christmas season, but in many multiple languages, which reminds us of the gift of diversity and the abundance of that gift in our community. This project, of course, also shows how much we value the diversity that we have in our community. It also will support diverse and marginalised communities through the profits that come from the CD. So we're able to support marginalised communities as well. I hope you'll enjoy the songs on the CD. I hope you'll be able to get a copy for yourself or for others, and I hope you have a very happy Christmas. And from my Indonesian background with the people in the parish that I worked in, Selamat Hari Natal. Thank you and bye for now.